Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the speakEasy English podcast. My name is Amin.
And I'm Sara. We are so happy to have you with us today.
I want to start today with a question for you. Think about your week. Maybe you worked hard, you studied, you were busy, and now it's finally the weekend. What is the first thing you want to do? What is your perfect idea of relaxing?
It's a great question, because today, Amin and I have very different ideas about this. We are going to have a little debate about the best way to relax after a long, busy week.
That's right. So listen carefully, and let's see who you agree with. Honestly, Sarah, after a week like that, I feel completely swamped. My brain feels full. I just want to turn everything off and do absolutely nothing special.
Nothing special? So your big plan is to just stay on the sofa all weekend?
Exactly. That's the perfect plan. I just want to stay home and unwind. You know, watch a movie I've wanted to see, or maybe just listen to some music. Simple, no stress.
I understand the no stress part. But for me, staying home for 2 whole days feels a little boring. I definitely need a change of scenery.
A change of scenery. What do you mean by that, exactly?
Oh, a change of scenery is a great phrase. It just means going to a different place than you are used to. So if you are at home all week, going to a park or a cafe or even just a different neighborhood is a nice change of scenery. It makes your brain feel fresh and new.
Ah, I see. That makes sense. But doesn't that take effort? I mean, you have to get ready, you have to go out. That sounds like the opposite of relaxing to me.
Not at all. It gives you energy. I was thinking we could go to that new cafe near the library, the one with the big windows. We can just sit there, drink a good coffee, and watch the world go by. It's still relaxing, but it's outside. It's an experience.
A cafe. Watching the world go by. You know what? That doesn't sound too bad. It's not a big adventure, but it is a change of scenery. Okay, you've convinced me. Let's do it.
Great. It's a date then. See? Relaxing can also be an experience.
So, it looks like Sarah won this debate. We have a plan for our weekend. But we are really curious about you, our listeners. What is your favorite way to unwind after you've been swamped with work? Do you prefer to stay home and recharge like Amin's original plan? Or do you need a change of scenery like me? Please tell us your ideas in the comments. We would love to read them.
Yes, please do. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you in the next episode.